Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm taking you straight into the day, quick, sharp, no dulling. Let me go to the shop and talk about the best glowing and brightening products you need right now. Alright, let's go. So on my way to enter keke as usual, every day is another opportunity. Yes, so if you are just watching this right now and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, this is the area to my shop. Yes, so I am going straight and we are here. My brother, the dermatologist of all, already at work as usual. This shop is where all the skincare magic happens. Okay, if you want a shower gel that brightens your complexion gently, these one right here are my top picks. But if you want something that will lighten you fast, don't worry, we have that fast one. Just look at the shelf. Everything here is tested and trusted and original. Yes. So if your skin no glow after this vlog, just tell me. I will personally recommend best product for you, something you will use. So my friend came in, she used Akin soap before and it worked for her, but now she wants something that will glow her skin, brighten her skin. So I recommended the K Brothers lightening soap for her to use. She was so happy, chai. We even laugh like small children, just 2 seconds. Nothing makes me happy than seeing my customers excited about their skin. Now, let me explain this soap properly. It contains carrot extract that helps to brighten your skin, even out your skin tone, face spots, and give you a natural glow. This one here is the best-selling product. This soap is a mild soap. It does not contain harsh or harmful chemicals that will lighten you or that will bleach your skin. This soap is a natural soap that will gently brighten your complexion. Yes. If you want a soap that will lighten your skin quick, especially after giving birth, this particular soap is the best. Yes, or your skin has faded, your skin is dull, get this easy glow. It contains glutathione drip. It is a fast brightening soap shower gel that you can use that will brighten your skin. Yes, this soap helps to smoothen your skin. It comes in different varieties. It has the carrot one as well, the one that contains glutathione, carrot extract, yes, which helps to brighten your skin. This particular one here works very well. It contains vitamin E and C as well. It helps to brighten your skin, even out your complexion. If your complexion has faded, you want to enhance your skin tone, this one is the best. This one works together with the other one as well. And we also have other baths like Ultra Glow. This one lightens and nourish your skin, give you a radiant glow. Yes, this one is nice. It comes in 2 different varieties. This one is the one that contains rich glutathione powder. It whitens and exfoliates your skin. This is gentle on the skin as well. So if you want to glow your skin, this is for glowing skin. If you're dark in complexion, you want something that will glow your skin. It gently brightens your skin, glows your skin, contains glutathione powder that helps to glow your skin. So guys, we also have other amazing soaps depending on what your skin needs, whether it is glowing, brightening, toning, or sharp lightening. The right one is always here. Just know your skin type and I am ready to give you the best product that you need that will brighten your skin this Ember month, especially now that we are into Christmas season, New Year season. You want your skin to glow? If you really want your skin to glow, DM me, comment in the comment section, and I'm always here. Thank you for seeing my video and please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.